What is up, you guys? It is Jeff here, and I am back with Pink Tactile with Emmy. She's gonna be here, so we hope this is gonna be part 2, and I hope you guys will enjoy this. And if I can, I'll be doing the normal version like we're supposed to. And so, if I can, I will find the Hello Neighbor demo. And if you guys know how to get Hello Neighbor for free, let me know down in the comments below. So, without further ado, let's get started. What? Hello, Pinkie again.
Hey! I've never seen you before. I'm Pinkie Pie. What's your name?
It's Jeff. We met before.
What's your name?
It's Jeff. We met before. Let's see if this will keep us from where we left off. Huh, Jeff. It's kind of a funny name for a pony. Well, duh. My favorite thing to do with new friends is play games.
Oh, let's try easy. I checked.
And if you guys saw in the first video we did easy, she cracked our skulls.
Say what?
So, we're on normal. So, we're on normal. Okay, well, let's get started. Pinkie's hard to beat on normal.
Check it out!
Oh, well, that's the first.
Yeah! Player win.
Okay, well, we won one game. Let's see if we can win another.
No hard feelings.
Okay. So, let's do this again. See if we can trick her. Well, looks like we're not going to. Yeah, well, looks like we didn't trick her that time. Player moved last. So we got 1 draw, 2 wins. Pinkie didn't win. So and block her here.
Well, duh.
Let's see here. I'm gonna go there. My phone went off. Snapchat went off. Again. Choices. Okay, good. We can beat her. Okay.
No hard feelings.
3 wins.
No! Shoot!
We got 3 wins, and there's that sad face again.
Do you really want that?
Yeah. Game on.
This will solve everything. She's smart.
There's rarity again. Oh, that was weird.
Sound like a freaking turkey.
Okay, so she did a twitchy twitch. That was confusing.
Game on!
Can she
Game
please stop
on.
saying that?
I knew I was gonna have to keep
Rainbow
an eye on
Dash!
you.
There's Rainbow Dash.
Oh my
I never
god!
expected that to happen.
When is Twilight gonna show up?
Who knows? Probably twice. I
I'm
don't
not
know.
taking any chances. Game on! Do you really want that?
we did, Pinkie. We beat you.
What are you doing?
Nothing. Just playing a game with you. That's what we're doing.
Choices!
Stop saying that!
Okay, so we know you can go
Annoying.
in
I knew I
there.
was gonna have to keep a close eye on you.
No, shush it, Pinkie. Oh.
I'm intrigued.
You're intrigued. And if you all know, I did make a pony channel because,
This'll solve everything.
thanks to Emmy that's here, she got me stuck on it.
I am just about to be brilliant.
Yeah.
Do you really want that?
Pinkie, you need to watch more.
What? No way!
Play it once.
Okay, so we're gonna go for the middle. See what she does. Don't you dare. Thank you.
This calls for extreme measures.
How about no? No more extreme measures. No, not again.
It's Pinkamena!
Well, you guys, we're back with Pinkamena again. Okay, so we're gonna go from here. Pinkamena seems quiet. Well, at least we know now we ran into
This may look like
Pinkamena.
fun, but it's not.
Oh, wait a minute. Didn't Pinkamena crush our skull that one time? Well, shit.
Oh, she's fine, okay. Maybe we should let her
This may
win.
look like fun, but it's not.
Nah, we're not gonna let her win.
No.
No.
Mm.
Well. We got you to win.
Yay!
I'm not taking any chances.
Okay, Pinkie Pie came back again.
Now Pinkamena's gone.
Pinkamena's gone. That means we can try and get her
Give it up.
back.
There's no way to escape.
Give it up. There's a way to
I never
escape.
expected that to happen.
Look, there's Rarity. Okay, well, we're gonna retry to see if we can get Pinkamena back. Because I really want to beat Pinkamena
Do
again.
you really want that?
No, shut up, Pinkie.
I knew it.
Nope. Pinkie Pie, really? Come on. Twitch.
Hi, Pinkie Pie.
Rainbow
And
Dash!
there's Rainbow Dash.
Give it up.
Rainbow,
There's no way to escape.
give it up. There's no way to escape. There is a way, we just gotta figure it out. It's just through Pinkamena.
What are you doing?
Doing something I should have done a while ago.
Give it up. There's no way to escape.
Oh, yes there is. Right there.
You've got a real problem, all right?
I don't have a problem, and yes, we got Pinkamena back. Alright, we're gonna try beating her this time. Let's go for the middle. Go for there. Go for there. Go for there.
Well, that's not very nice.
Well, we didn't do anything. It's the game of the rule. You have to win. It's the game of the rule. Go here.
Ah!
Well, that looks a chance. Okay, let's
Hit my
try
lip.
this. Oh, look. She missed it. We got her.
Forfeit.
You forfeit. That reminds me of one of the episodes. Go here. Go here. And why do you keep missing?
You really need to get out more.
Well, what was that? I always get out. I just went out tonight for dinner.
Quit it.
No. If you guys are wondering, I will be putting my links up for where you guys can follow me at. It's gonna take a while. And oh boy.
Uh-oh.
Okay, phew. Okay. We won 11 times. This is
I
the
don't know
first.
how it goes, all right.
Oh, you What's wrong, Pinkie? You mad?
No!
Why should we? We're just having fun.
I don't know how it goes, all right.
Okay, well, it looks like we got another draw. And if you guys are wondering, Pinkamena, Rainbow Dash Rarity, Fluttershy,
Right.
Twilight, and Applejack, all 6 of them are creepypastas. They're Bull.
You're up to something.
They're all creepypastas.
I don't know how it goes, all right.
Even Pinkamena is a creepypasta. That's what she is. Pinkamena.
Oh.
Please don't crush our skulls again. Are you gonna crush our skulls? Yes? No? Please don't. Don't you dare cry.
She's tearing.
Don't you dare cry. I'm not feeling bad for you one bit. And, well, that screwed up where we're going. Or actually not. Oh! Crazy face.
You're up to something.
Yes, I am. But, creepy face. Don't do that again. Make sure I end you. And I knew you were gonna go there, so don't even think about it. And you're gonna go here too.
Are you kidding me?
Nope, I'm not kidding you. We're doing good. Let's see if we can keep going.
You're up
Okay.
to something.
Yes, I am. I'm having a blast. She missed that, didn't she?
Yep.
Yes. Please don't crush our skulls. We didn't do anything wrong. All we're doing is playing by the rules. I mean, look, we got 13 wins. 13 wins, and she just screwed up what we're doing. But oh no you don't. We're not letting you win. No matter how hard you
I don't know
try.
how it goes, all right.
No, it goes alright.
No.
Hey, it's just a draw. Go for the middle. Go for the top. Go for over here. No, boy. Nope. What is with that face? Look at that. That's like, it looks like she was eating a muffin. No, Pinkamena, we're not quitting. No matter how many times you tell us, oh no you don't. Get over there. Frick. Pinkamena, you really need to chill out. No boy. What the fuck was that? Oh, okay, so we got a circle. Put an X. Tic-tac-toe, you're not going that
You're
way.
up to something.
I am up to something.
You're up to something.
You just blocked me from doing it.
Are you kidding me?
Nope. I'm surprised I haven't found... I'm surprised Twilight's not in this. Nope. Please don't go up there. Oh. Okay. Oh boy. Oh
You're
boy.
not gonna say anything, are you?
Oh no! Oh no!
Wait a minute, what? You kidding me? What the? Not again!
You won. Oh god!
Alright guys, well that's what we have all for tonight. And we hope you guys liked it. Please stab that like button. And if you're new, please subscribe. And I will see you all killers later.
Bye-bye.
See ya!